So here at Bluegrass Dentistry, we offer multiple kinds of sedation to keep patients more comfortable in order to get their dental work done and keep things healthy. The dental office does not always give people the warm fuzzy feeling. A lot of people, it is just hard for them to get through the front door. And knowing that in dental school and in my residency, it was something that I felt was important to me to be able to just provide a little bit more comfort for people in knowing that they could come into the office, get the work they needed. A lot of times during sedation, you can get larger amounts of work done at one point in time. They can get their mouth healthy in a comfortable way, and then hopefully we build that trust and they just don't fear coming into the dental office so much anymore. So here at Bluegrass Dentistry, we offer 3 kinds of sedation. The first and lightest kind of sedation that we offer is nitrous oxide. Now, a lot of people used to call that laughing gas. Not everybody laughs on it, but it does give you a little bit of anxiety relief. The patient is still awake, they're still aware of everything that's going on, but they're just much more relaxed about the situation at hand, and it makes the dental work a little bit more pleasant. The second kind of sedation we offer is called an oral sedation. This kind of sedation is where a patient will take a series of pills that are in the Valium family. They relax, they kind of make you feel a little bit sleepy, and a lot of times we combine that oral sedation with the nitrous oxide to really give people a nice, comfortable space to get their work done in. The IV sedations that we do here in the office, those are the most predictable and the most common things that we do as far as sedation goes, because we can make sure that someone is nicely comfortable and sedated while they're doing the dental work. That way they don't have to remember the dentist ever coming in. Most of the time people barely remember me getting the IV started, and then they have no memory of the whole event until they wake up at home after taking a nap. So in our office, for either the oral sedation or the IV sedation, there are definitely some pre-op and post-op instructions that are important to talk about. With these kind of sedations, there's always eating restrictions. You always have to have a driver with you, an escort to bring you and take you home and watch out for you for the afternoon. And then depending on what procedure you're having done, there will also be other instructions that go along with that. But the key to remember is if you're going to be sedated, you're going to need to take that whole day off work, not plan to drive anywhere or make any kind of large decisions for yourself. So sedation dentistry is a wonderful option for people today in dentistry. Whether you have a large amount of work to do and you just want to be more comfortable while you're doing it, or whether you've got that long-term dental fear that a lot of people walk in the front door with, sedation dentistry might be for you. It's certainly a more comfortable way to get dental work done. And here at Bluegrass Dentistry, we can help you take care of that.